Ever wanted to create mind-bending photo compositions where one picture seems to live inside another? Today, we're diving into Adobe Photoshop to master a fantastic technique putting an image inside another image. Let's start by creating a canvas using the New File option at the top and setting the width and height to your desired size. I will go with a 1920 by 1080 pixel canvas. After that, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar or tap U for a shortcut. Now, create a shape within your canvas. This will act as a container for your image. Go over to the Layers panel and rename this layer container. This helps keep your workflow organized. Next, import the image you want to place inside the container. You can simply drag and drop it, or go to File then place Embedded Position and resize this image above your container where it can fit within it. Here's the magic. In the Layers panel, right-click on the image layer, not the container layer, and select Create Clipping Mask. Boom. The image is now contained within your shape. You can always reposition your inner image by selecting its layer and using the Move tool, allowing you to perfectly frame it within the container. Let's take it a step further and repeat the steps with a few more images inside other shapes, and there you have it, an awesome layered composition, perfect for photo collages. This is clipping mask in action. Using this powerful clipping mask, you can create really neat and creative visual effects for any graphic design projects and photo editing projects.